Alright, Chapter 10, Lesson 7, Area of Triangles and Trapezoids. Objective is to use a formula to find the area of a triangle, and to use a formula to find the area of a trapezoid. To rename area units in equivalent forms, to find an unknown base or height given the area of a triangle or trapezoid. So, for the most part, you should know how to do this, because all you're doing is plugging into the equation and solving. I rewrote the equations right here, because I didn't know if you could see the key concept or not. It seems a little bit blurry. The area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height. The area of a trapezoid is 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times height. Let's see if I can make this bigger. And I can. Or B1 and B2 are the bases and H is the height. The bases of a trapezoid are not always horizontal lines, but they are always parallel lines. So, let's go on. Find the area of this triangle. Well, area equals base times height. Oops, no it doesn't. Area equals 1/2 base times height. That's how I find the area of a triangle. So I'm going to label my base, which is B. And my height of my triangle, my height is 4. The 5 centimeters, that is not the height of my triangle. That is just the side of my triangle. So area equals 1/2 the base times 5 times my height, which is 4. Because this is all multiplying, it doesn't matter which order I go in. If there was division and addition and subtraction in it, then we'd have to use the order of operations. But because it's all multiplying, I can just go in with that whatever order I want to. So I can do equals 1/2. 5 times 4 is 20. And half of 20 is 10. This is area, and I know that I need to label because I'll get counted off on my homework if I don't. 10 square centimeters, because it's area, it's two-dimensional. So here's our next one. This is not a triangle, but it is a trapezoid. So the equation for a trapezoid is area equals 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times height. So if you notice here, there are parentheses. That means that we're going to have to do that first. But first I want to label my picture. Base 1 and base 2, it doesn't matter which one you put. I'm going to go ahead and put the top one as base 1. The bottom one is base 2. And 4 is my height. So I'm going to plug everything in. Area equals 1/2 3 plus 6 times my height, which is 4. So area equals 1/2 3 plus 6. I'm doing that first because it's in parentheses, and that's what I do in order of operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction. Remember, multiplication or division, addition, or subtraction, depending on what comes first, left, right. 3 plus 6 is 9 times 4. Now again, this is all multiplying. 1/2 times 9 times 4. So I can do whichever one I want to do now. I'm going to go ahead and do 9 times 4, which is 36. What is half of 36? 18. So 18 square meters is my yards. 18 square meters is my answer. Okay. So if you have questions on this, I'm going to assume that you're having trouble on plugging in numbers, because that's all it is. All you're doing is plugging into an equation, so you should know how to do this. These are the 2 examples I want you to do, and tomorrow when you come into class, I will help you. I don't know why I made that smaller. I should be making it bigger. So these are the 2 examples. This is a trapezoid. Just in case you couldn't tell. It might not look like the trapezoid we first did, but this is a trapezoid. It has 2 parallel lines and a side. The 2 parallel lines make up the base. This is our height. And here's a triangle. And it doesn't look like the first triangle we did, but this is still a triangle. It still works. The equation still works. So I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. I'm sorry Reese wasn't in it. She's actually still sleeping. And so hope you enjoyed.